Girl, stop. I've also be in your situation. You don't need to explain. I'm not here to give you advice. Believe me. I'm just here to share my experience. Well, you think I'm super productive? Never, ever, and neither. Because, you know what? I've always said an alarm, but I failed to wake up at that time. I've always been ambitious, but I'm so stuck and disappointed about that I couldn't achieve my goal. And that's why I feel so disappointed, so depressed that you will it's unrecognizable, but no one will explain by sadness. However, I'm just getting too emotional. However, I know the thing, when a student get disappointed, it's about the meaning of it is so painful. However, thank me later. I'm just gonna teach something in this video that nobody teaches you. Just a trick. Nothing. Not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5. Just one trick. Just pause, stop, take a deep breath, and watch this video. Okay. So, it's a simple trick. I'm gonna talk about it. This video is not gonna be long because I know you're disappointed and that's why you're watching this video. Okay, so if you're setting continuously your alarm but you're super lazy, you're just afraid of it. But why are you afraid? Just sit on your table and write down the 3 key points you actually afraid about your ambition. Just like it's your goal, but why can't you accomplish it? Why do you feel lazy? Pause this video and I'll give you time. Okay? Got it? Great job. Once you wrote down all of your reasons, why are you behaving like that? Is there anything actually too afraid from it? How can you make them interesting? The best thing is you're ambitious because people actually tell you you're not in the state. You don't like waking up at 7 a.m. But as people say that you have to wake up between 5:30 to 7 a.m. This is the most successful habits, so that you actually wake up at that time. You don't love to. But what if you love the thing you love? No one can stop you. Well, just say, babe, you love going to TikTok. Have ever your parents talked about that? Hey, just go and watch TikTok for 15 minutes. Nobody told you, right? And that's how you gonna say that if you want to wake up early in the morning, nobody has to actually tell you. If somebody has to tell you, they will, like, it's not your thing. You're not ambitious. You're just following other persons. Just turn it into your hobby and loving things. Like, why do you wake up early? Waking up early. So for it, you can try a new skincare habit for girls especially. You can select a skincare habit that actually you run, like you can build up exercise items, like just if you have too much belly fat you have to just reduce it. So that's how you wake up in the morning and do a little bit exercise and go to study. It's so good. And if you're so addicted to foods, just put some food. Like, I recommend you to put some small chocolates and don't waste it. If you wake up early, just eat those and just go to study. And I recommend you not to sleep after it. Like, it's you use your dopamine for the best to make you the best effort, right? And it's so simplest trick for me I've ever done if you're ambitious but lazy. Believe me, my mother knows about me. I'm so ambitious but lazy person. Like, I make a lot of to-do lists, a lot of routine, but I don't know what actually to do. And that's how you come up with the method SMART goals. You have to know it from Google because the video will get long if I say it. Okay, let me say it. Specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, time bound. I got it. Alright, so specific. You're gonna study this reason. You're gonna study for this reason. Measurement. How you gonna study? Like, which time you gonna study? Number 3. Realistic. That isn't realistic. You wouldn't study that chapter. And number 4. Attainable. You can attain that one. It's similar to realistic. And time bound. Set a time that I will finish this chapter in 12 hours. It's similar to measurable. Like, it's so good and helped me a lot, girl. And if this video is helpful to you, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to take for more updates. See you later in the next video. Bye.